When it comes to your car, everything in Panama is a process, both time-consuming and challenging. Panama Auto Trust Company, PATCo. Expat's new AAA-like service, driven by integrity while building your trust. PATCo core values. 1. Earning your trust. 2. Demonstrating competency. 3. Providing fair pricing. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. PATCo. You get help with new car purchase, car diagnostic, car inspection, mechanical and body repairs, driver license acquisition, car insurance, license plates, title transfers, Pass, car service notifications, towing and roadside assistance, legal assistance. What to do if you're stopped by the Panamanian police. Jubilado discounts. Expats have PATCo, a trouble-free car ownership option in Panama, and a trusted friend in the car business. We have an auto mechanic service center and a complete auto body shop for almost any make and model. Car ownership in Panama can be daunting. Navigating the process with Panama Auto Trust Company, PATCo, integrity in action.